following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and Emergency Defense Command. An earthquake in New Jersey has occurred. Many people have died, and many people have been injured. If you're going to evacuate then. If you choose not to evacuate, stay in your home and hide under a table. If you're evacuating, bring food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a radio that is battery powered. Evacuate now. If you live in the states, including New Jersey, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, Canada, Australia, and Peru, evacuate these cities immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Emergency Defense Command and Survey. The earthquake has continued to spread to other states, including New Jersey, South Carolina, Australia, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Canada. If you live in these states, evacuate immediately. If not, then stay at your home and hide under your dinner table. If you're evacuating now, bring food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a radio that is battery powered. Evacuate. Repeat, evacuate immediately. If not, you will be in danger. If you do not hide under your table, you will be in danger as well. Evacuate immediately. Beware of the strong tremors. To our program to bring you the earthquake warning. This is an earthquake warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Emergency Defense Command. At 3:21 a.m., a 9.7 magnitude earthquake has been attacking the Ontario, Canada area. All civilians in Ontario, Canada must immediately evacuate. If not, hide under a table at your home. If you're evacuating, bring food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a radio that is battery powered. This earthquake has been attacking states. These states that are being attacked include Peru, South Carolina, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Canada. Evacuate now.
Sistema de alerta de emergência. Alerta de vulcão. Isto é um alerta de vulcão. Isto é um alerta de vulcão.
Emergency alert system. This is a volcano alert. This is a volcano alert. Emergency alert system. This is a volcano alert. This is a volcano alert. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Australian government. An earthquake in the Australian area has appeared. Evacuate now. If you choose not to evacuate, stay at home and hide under your table. If you're told to evacuate now, bring food, water, medical supplies, and a radio that's battery powered. This earthquake has been attacking these states, including Australia, Peru, South Carolina, Canada, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Evacuate now. Repeat, evacuate now. Please beware of strong tremors. An earthquake is attacking Australia. Evacuate now. We interrupt the regular programming to bring you the catastrophic danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Emergency Defense Command and Survey. The earthquake has spread throughout the few states, including Peru, Australia, South Carolina, Canada, New Jersey, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. A tsunami in Ohio has occurred and has derailed a train. If you live in the States, evacuate now. If you do not live in the States, stay at home and hide under your dinner table at home, or you will be safe. This earthquake has torn out the world. Do not panic. Repeat, do not panic. Evacuate now. Go to an airport if you have a plane and travel to other states immediately. Bring food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and a radio that is battery powered. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The earthquake has ended. Repeat, the earthquake has ended. When you travel back to the United States and Canada and where you live, you may see damage that the earthquake caused. The earthquake is now over. It is now safe to travel back to where you live. The government would like to thank you for your cooperation. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. Regular programming may now resume.